Here's everything you need to know about sidewalk edging ideas, borders, and landscaping. Here's what you need to know. Explore concrete sidewalk edging options, from simple borders to decorative landscape. Learn costs, design ideas, and installation tips. Quick answer. Concrete sidewalk edging costs 8 to 18 per linear foot for basic borders, rising to 25 to 40 per linear foot for decorative finishes. Proper edging prevents soil migration, extends concrete life by 5 to 10 years, and integrates landscape without compromising the slab structure. A well-designed sidewalk edging system does far more than frame your walkway. It protects your concrete investment, defines property lines, and creates a polished landscape appearance. Whether you're installing a new sidewalk or upgrading an existing one, choosing the right border and integrating it with your landscape plan prevents costly repairs down the road. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. We work with homeowners throughout the Triangle, Triad, and Charlotte Metro on sidewalk design, edging systems, and integrated landscape. Pay nothing until the work is complete. Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front, protecting homeowners from the deposit and disappear pattern that defines bad concrete contracting. This guide walks you through edging options, design ideas, costs, and installation best practices so you can make an informed decision. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina concrete company operating since 2009, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triangle, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. The company specializes in sidewalk installation and edging systems that integrate with both hardscape and landscape design. Typical sidewalk edging projects range from 8 to 18 per linear foot for basic concrete borders, rising to 25 to 40 per linear foot for decorative or stamped edges. Unlike most concrete contractors, Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion model. Homeowners pay nothing until the work is finished, and Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front. Whether you're adding clean lines to an existing sidewalk or building a new walkway with integrated landscape, proper edging prevents soil migration, defines spaces, and extends concrete life by 5 to 10 years. Moving on to why sidewalk edging matters. Sidewalk edging serves critical structural and aesthetic functions. A concrete border contains soil, prevents erosion, stops grass encroachment, and defines the boundary between hardscape and landscape. Without edging, soil settles against the slab, water pools along the joint, and weeds penetrate cracks, leading to spalling, scaling, and premature failure. In North Carolina's humid subtropical climate, frost heave and freeze-thaw cycles are real threats. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.